G'day guys, Paul here from The Hook of the Cook and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favourite little dishes. We've got some beautiful Malabar prawns here. I'm going to be doing an avocado prawn with a Mary Rose sauce. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to prepare the avocado. So with a sharp knife, we just cut through the avocado. Be very, very careful when you do this. Just follow the pit around until we cut completely in half. Again, with a kitchen spoon, we're just going to go in to the skin here, and we're just going to go right the way around, nice and quickly, and we're just going to flip around. A beautiful, smooth avocado, and what I want to do is make like a spiral or like a circle with this avocado. So what I'm going to do to help me do that so it doesn't stick to the board, just give it a little spray. This is just a little tip. And also we're going to spray my knife. Need a nice sharp knife for this. And we want to try and get it as thin as we possibly can. I'm going to turn it around so I've got the pointy end to this side and the wider end here. So we're just going to start it off, and then we're going to try and get it as thin as we possibly can. Now I could go fairly quick here. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. So that spray really, really works. Just gonna put that little fella back. Alright, next trick that we need to do is we need to spread this guy out in a line along your board, trying to separate our spirals. And the longer that I get this, the more sort of effect, I suppose, we'll get it. So it'll give it a really nice spiral effect. Alright, so once we've got it like that, we just need to then start to fold this guy in by just holding this and turning it fairly tightly. That's the way, so we're going to go all the way around now. And as tight as I possibly can. Now we can fan this out a little bit more once we get this guy together. Okay, now it's nice and tight. And what I'm going to do now is just push it down a little bit. This is just going to be a base for my prawns, and it's so easy. It's just fun. Have a bit of a go at it, guys. It's just a bit of fun. Okay, just going to pop that onto my plate. Well, guys, that's the hard part out of the way. Have a little bit of fun, practice it. You'll probably end up doing it much better than me in the end, but it just gives me a little bit of a base to work on. So this is the easy part. We're going to cook the prawns. So I've got a little bit of water here. A little bit of water. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. So what I'm going to do is actually poach some of these prawns, and I'm going to barbecue the others. So I get like two sort of textures. This is the prawns that I peeled a little bit earlier. I'm going to have a look at those. And they're only small, so we're just going to poach those in a little bit of water and cider vinegar. And these guys I'm going to barbecue. And we're going to serve them all with our Mary Rose sauce and just garnish them up, and we're going to have a beautiful little dish. So what I'm going to do now is just pop these in here. It's a little bit hot, so I'm just going to turn that right down. We really don't want it to be bubbling away too much. Otherwise, the actual prawns will become really tough. So I'm only going to take a few seconds. So as you can see, they're just now starting to become nice and opaque. Okay, so I've just cut the prawns up and they're pretty much cooked now. So I'm going to turn that off while I barbecue the rest of the prawns and finish the rest of the dish, and they'll stay nice and tender there. So I'm just going to spray them a little bit of oil. This is just a little entree that I'm preparing for my wife, and yeah, so I'm just trying to keep in the good books, guys, so I can do a little bit more fishing. Straight onto the barbecue. Barbecue's been preheated. So a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much, just a touch. Okay. Now then, I've got my cocktail sauce, which we're going to put on the plate. Just a few little dots around the plate. So what's in this cocktail sauce is just some Japanese mayonnaise that we've popped in there. Japanese mayonnaise, some tomato sauce, a little bit of brandy. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. That's all there is. Now we're going to put some tomatoes around there just for a little bit of colour. And these are really nice Beautiful teardrop tomatoes. I absolutely love these teardrop tomatoes. Beautiful. Awesome. Now let's just turn our barbecue prawns, see how they're going. They're looking great. Really, really good. And black pepper. Yeah, they're looking absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to pop this in the middle of the plate. And that's it. And look, that is such a simple little entree that you can do at home, and you can impress your friends with that, and it doesn't take, what, probably take me around about 5 minutes once I've prepped everything up. Guys, you won't find anything as simple as that. Now don't forget to join us every Friday here at The Hook and the Cook, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Okay? We look forward to seeing you next week. Cheers guys.